Welcome to the D4 Guns YouTube channel. This is a channel where we take closer looks at some of the cool guns that come into our inventory. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Winchester 21. Model 21s, just like this one, were custom made. So finding these is a rare treat. And we've got one in our inventory. And this one is in immaculate condition. No real markings, scratches, dings, dents that really stand out. The butt pad is a little bit old, but all things considered, it looks really good. We will be getting a letter from the museum, the Buffalo Bill Cody Museum in Wyoming, to get the exact date and manufacturer information on this rifle. Sorry, not rifle, shotgun. This is in 16 gauge. Which is even more rare to find. They're made in the early to mid 20th century before they stopped making them, and these are some of the best double barrel shotguns you can get. This has a skeet choke on both and a 2 3/4 inch chamber. If you like what we do here on the D4 Guns YouTube channel, go ahead and like and subscribe. Everything that we video will be on our website, so keep up to date on that. But this is not the only things in our inventory. Please go to our website and check out all the cool things that we have up there. See you next time.